Hi guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're staying on track. As you guys know, for those of you that have been following my channel and following my group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa on Facebook or on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. I'm everywhere. You know that I love a big salad. But I also like to change things up. That is my tip. Versatile, modify, do things differently, or else you're going to get bored, as well as the fact for those of you that are maintaining or plateauing, it's important for our bodies not to just get used to the same foods over and over again. Not to mention it's boring, right? So I'm just going to show you another one of my lunch, brunch, dinner options, even as snack. Okay, maybe not as big a snack, but you never know. Even after a workout, you might enjoy one of these big salads. My hair's in my mouth. Anyways, this is what happens, right? So I'm going to show you what I made today. And again, if you have different things in your house, it's versatile and you can use what you have. That's what I like to do. Go in your cupboard, look in your fridge. Sometimes, obviously, you need to shop because that's really important. But a lot of times we have most of these things in our house and you need to make sure you do because that's really key. So let's get here. Look at this huge salad. Of course, the bowl is from the dollar store. As you guys know, I love my big salads. And today, underneath all of this is some leaf lettuce, different kinds. You can use spinach, you can use kale, you can use regular leaf lettuce, whatever you like, romaine lettuce, some spinach, and usually about a cup and a half or so. Then I add some shredded carrots, broccoli, cucumbers are in here underneath hiding, and different colored peppers. So I also love to have a good protein. So what did I make? So here's my leftovers. I'm going to do another video to teach you how to make this chicken, but honestly, so easy. So I had some chicken in my freezer and I had already marinated it with some onion and garlic powder and some paprika. Just sprinkle it on and then you can freeze it just like that. So it's already well marinated. And then I had a hot skillet, and before I put it in, I added some taco seasoning for some nice zest. Once the skillet was nice and hot, and I put it in, of course, add some olive oil spray or whatever spray, nonstick spray, and I use this Guy's barbecue sauce. Just pour in a couple of tablespoons or so. And I wanted to sweeten it up a little bit with some sugar-free syrup. The Joseph's is my favorite, but any kind you can use. And that is it. If it gets a little thick, you could add a little bit more sauce or a little bit more water. And I tell you, it is so, so delicious and such a simple idea. All right, just the 3-ingredient chicken. So I'll do definitely a video on that. But again, it only takes a few minutes on each side and you have a quick, and you could even eat this over some rice or noodles or just as a snack. But I love it in my big salad. Of course, I added a fruit. Today I added strawberries. You can add whatever fruit you have in your house, apples, pears, peaches, depending on the season. Some grapes would be delicious in this. Anything you really like, pears, okay? I wouldn't put in bananas, of course, but I always love apples and definitely berries. Berries are high in fiber and the lowest in sugar, okay? So raspberry, blueberries, blackberries. And for a change, I added pecans. All right, just a few, just sprinkle them on. I'm telling you, whatever nut you love, and pecans are one of my favorites. and a sprinkle of sunflower seeds. And sometimes I put in pumpkin seeds. So I like to have things, like I said, and then I'll sprinkle a little bit of some Himalayan salt. And then whatever dressing you like, you can check online and see my different dressings. But you know, one of my all-time favorites is, of course, the two ingredients, balsamic and whatever flavored syrup. So I have blueberry here, I have raspberry, I have coconut, and you can also just use some fresh lemon juice on it. What do I have here? I'm just looking to see if I have other ones here. I have pineapple too somewhere. Anyways, oh, and a piece of nice bread. I bought this high fiber bread. I'm going to just show you. Actually high protein and 7 grams, 70 calories. I bought this at the low carb grocery store. So, you know, you can have a nice carb. I like to toast my bread or my tortillas or my pitas, or I like to have some crackers. Something with a crunch is always nice as well. And for fun, sometimes I even add a little bit of cereal for crunch in here, which is also another option for croutons. So I hope you love my video. I'm just going to go. Hi, it's me again. Make sure that you comment, ask me questions, tag me when you post my recipes, my friends. And I can't wait to see what you make and all the different ideas that you come up with too, because that is really important. Of course, you can use other proteins, but this is the way to make this delicious chicken. And again, I will do a video, I promise. It's very, very easy though. And that's it. So comment below, like, and of course share. You know my group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa, for extra support. I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. And now I have to go back to teaching. My partner's waiting for me. So online teaching, woohoo, depending on when you're watching this. Mwah. Bye for now.